You have to have all of them plugged in, but the left one works, but the right one doesn't when the front one isn't plugged in.
So the left wing mirror camera works on its own without anything else being plugged in, but the right camera needs the front bumper wiring to be plugged in and to enable it to work.
Really clean door card.
That's what we're up against at the minute. And we're hoping it's something stupid like this, which is the reason why this car won't start. Maybe it just needs something plugging in to tell it that it's actually safe to start. We just don't know what that part's going to be. But with the wing mirrors on, we can start adding the door cards, and the car is slowly coming together now.
Okay, door cards in. It's still missing a few little things. There's little trims missing out of it, things like that. But we've got some vital bits, which I'm hoping are going to be the reason why this car don't start.